At the end of this assignment, you will be able to describe the features of Microsoft Paint, use drawing tools, create shapes, use the text tool, and use the eraser. Microsoft Paint is an application included with Windows that you can use to draw, color, and edit pictures. You can use Paint like a digital sketchpad to make simple pictures, creative projects, or to add text and designs to other pictures, such as those taken with your digital camera. To start Paint, click Start. Scroll down the alphabetical list on the left to Windows Accessories and click from the drop-down list, select Paint. You can see an empty window. This is a new document. Drawing and painting tools are located in the ribbon at the top of the window. The illustration on the screen shows the different parts of the Paint window. The ribbon in Paint includes a handy collection of drawing tools. You can use these tools to create freehand drawings and add a variety of shapes to your pictures. Some tools and shapes such as the pencil, brushes, line, and curve let you make a variety of straight, curved, and squiggly lines. The pencil and the different brushes can be used to make completely random, free-form shapes. Saving a file. First, let us save this document and name it. Click the File tab and then click Save. In the Save As window, browse to the location where you want to save the file. You may select the type of file you want to create from the Save As type list. For now, let the default type PNG remain. Enter the file name and press Save. The file is saved with the extension .png. Alternatively, to save the document, you may click the Save icon on the Quick Access toolbar and follow the same procedure. Let us learn to create a birthday card in Paint. First, we will insert a shape. On the Home tab in the Shapes group, click the arrow at the bottom to view all shapes in the list. Now click the rectangle shape. Drag the pointer in the drawing area to draw the shape. The Color 1 box in the Colors group indicates the and the Color 2 box indicates the background one. Since the default foreground color is black, the shape we drew has been drawn in black. Click Color 2 and select the light yellow color square. Now click the Fill drop-down list in the Shapes group. From the displayed options, select Solid Color to fill the rectangle with the selected color. Let us insert a rounded rectangle inside the rectangle we inserted. Click the rounded rectangle icon in the Shapes gallery. Now select purple as the background color. Then click the Outline drop-down list in the Shapes group. Select No Outline from the list so that the rounded rectangle is created without an outline. Drag the pointer in the drawing area now to draw the shape as shown. Now insert the other shapes and fill them with color as shown in a similar way. We will now learn how to use the Brush tool. On the Home tab, from the Brushes drop-down list, select Airbrush. Now click Color 1 and then click the orange color box. Drag the Airbrush tool to draw the ribbon for the balloon as shown. Draw the images in a similar way using the various brushes available in the Brush tool. You may use the Eraser tool to erase parts of your picture. On the Home tab in the Tools group, click the Eraser. To change the size of the eraser, click Size and make your selection. Let us erase the green line we drew. You need to remember that any areas that you erase will reveal the background color, that is Color 2. So we first need to set Color 2 to the background color of our picture, in this case light yellow. Now drag the eraser over the area that you want to erase. The text tool. Now we will insert some text in our card. Click Text in the Tools group and drag the pointer in the drawing area to create a text box. A new text tab appears under the heading Text Tools. In the Font group, select a suitable font, size, and style. Choose the color from the text box background by clicking on Color to and selecting the color from the Colors group. Now click Opaque in the Background group to apply it. Resize the text box as required and drag it to a suitable position as shown. Your card is ready now. Once you have completed the greeting card, you can directly apply it as the desktop background. To do so, click the File tab and go to Set as Desktop Background. You can set your painting as a desktop background in the following ways. Fill, that is by filling the entire desktop with your picture. Tile, that is by tiling the picture so it repeats and fills the entire screen. Center, that is by centering the picture in the middle of the screen. You can convert your greeting card into various file formats and save it as a different type of picture file. When you save a picture in a different format, the original picture is not replaced. Instead, a new picture file is created and saved. To save a picture as a different file type, click the File tab, point to Save As, and then click the New Picture file type. Type a file name in the File Name box and then click Save. You have reached the end of the assignment. You have learned the features of Microsoft Paint, using drawing tools, creating shapes, using the text tool, and using the eraser.
New features is Sticky Notes. With Sticky Notes, you can quickly write a reminder for yourself or some other note. In fact, they're as useful as real paper sticky notes. You can use Sticky Notes to write a to-do list, write down a phone number, or do anything else that you would have used a pad of paper for.
Not always be in a position to physically handle your phone or computer to get something done. Maybe you are driving and want to send an urgent text message. Or you could be cooking and your hands are dirty, but you would like to put on some music. Thanks to digital assistants, you can do these tasks and much more, often without having to touch a thing. A digital assistant, sometimes called a virtual assistant, is voice-activated software that can understand and carry out electronic tasks for you. Instead of using your hands to initiate an action, you just need to speak a command and the digital assistant will carry it out for you. If you have a smartphone, tablet, or a recent computer model, it probably has a built-in digital assistant.